Well, that's just nasty. But don't worry, I have a solution for this.
Hello? Is there anybody there? Hello?
I'm back. Again. A lot has happened, but I'm not gonna talk about it now. Let's jump right into the project. Nutella. A delicious chocolate spread, but it's not perfect. It can get pretty dirty.
My house is full of shit! He's shit everywhere!
No, for real. I had this frustration with the spread being everywhere. My hands, plate, table, counter, and so on. This is why I was thinking a lot about this problem. And I was not the only one. A few years ago, an acquaintance of mine introduced me to his solution for the problem and let me further develop the idea. Spoonella is a two-part cover that you attach to Nutella and it allows you to hold and clean your knife. After a few designs and a lot of 3D modeling, this is the finished design. But first thing first, recently I bought a 3D printer and I need to assemble it. Hit the montage.
No! No! No!
For around 500 euros, I bought a Creality CR10S Pro V2. I'm a total noob when it comes to 3D printing. I have zero experience, but thanks to YouTube, apparently this printer is a solid choice. Here are the specs for this printer, but I really don't understand all of them yet. The idea behind buying a 3D printer is to start diving into 3D world and start experimenting and creating prototypes for future business ideas. That's the plan, but we'll see how it goes. I bet it won't be easy.
Just want to.
Yeah, actually, I'm so excited because, doing this for the first time. I did the whole assembly of the 3D printer. Thanks to the guides on the YouTube, they really helped me. I also did the bed leveling, which was really hard. Kinda tricky, but I think I managed it. Yeah, so now it's time to go to my computer and get some 3D files, test prints. I don't know, I have to research them. We'll see how the test prints will go. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited. I can't wait to start printing, to see how it goes. Yeah.
Just want to.
So these are my first prints, and as you can see, I had to do a lot of adjusting and messing with the settings. But eventually I managed to calibrate the printer quite good. Okay, so yeah, I think everything is ready. It's time to slice the Spoonella in Cura software and start printing it. It went better than I thought. Now you are probably wondering, but wait, how does it work? Is it even useful? Let me show you everything in this Kickstarter campaign video that I've made a few years ago. Spoonella is a two-part cover which allows you to hold and partially clean your knife. Unscrew the original attached Spoonella, unscrew the upper cover, and you're ready to make your life a lot easier. Spread, insert, and pull out. It's also great with parties, where you can pass the jar and the knife in one go. When you're finished, screw back the upper cover and it's done. Spoonella is made from food-safe plastic and it's reusable. You can also wash it in a dishwasher. So, if you're having problems such as dirty knife handle, chocolate mess everywhere, spreads mixing in a jar, or washing a lot of dirty knives, then this is a product for you. Be part of this journey and bring new experience to a 50 years old favorite chocolate spread. The whole Kickstarter campaign didn't go through, but it was still a great entrepreneurship experience. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Anyways, I'll be doing a giveaway.
Nice.
Of a few 3D printed Spoonella-s here on YouTube and also on my Instagram profile. Check how to win it in the description below. What do you think about Spoonella? Do you have any ideas of improvements to share? Let me know if you like the video in the comments below and in general about the whole idea. And please get subscribed, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps to grow this DIY channel a lot. Whew, this is it. Thank you for watching and maybe check my other projects, I'm sure you like them. Till then, see you in the next one.